Kimi Work is a desktop app that turns your computer into a fleet of AI agents, reading your local files, driving your browser, and building your spreadsheets while you sleep. It comes from Moonshot AI, and its new engine, Kimi K3, rattled markets hard enough to knock about 1% off the Nasdaq the day it launched. A desktop app did that. So what does an AI desktop actually do all day, and why are the incumbents nervous? In the next few minutes, we'll tour the app, the model behind it, and the benchmarks that embarrassed some very expensive competitors. Stick around. The pricing at the end is the part that really changes the math. Kimi Work calls itself the AI desktop for knowledge work, and that's the right frame. This is not another chatbot in a browser tab. It's a native app, macOS on Apple Silicon with Windows supported too, that plants an intelligent agent directly on your machine. It mounts your local folders as workspaces, executes Python and shell commands in the background, and critically, asks before acting. Nothing touches your files or your accounts without explicit authorization. It launched into the biggest AI news week of the summer, and it's arguably the most interesting piece of it. The feature set reads like a wish list for anyone drowning in knowledge work. Deep local file integration, so the agent works on your documents where they actually live. Browser automation through WebBridge. Scheduled tasks on a built-in cron engine that runs around the clock. An agent swarm that coordinates multiple specialists on multi-layered problems. One-shot PowerPoint and Excel generation from raw research. Background code execution for the heavy lifting. Pre-integrated financial market data. And that ask before acting safeguard sitting on top of all of it. Each one alone is useful. Together they add up to a genuinely different way to use a computer. Scroll the product page and the pitch gets concrete fast. Set it and forget it. An early morning LLM agent call drafting your daily briefing, or a midnight Python script chewing through a massive dataset. Kimi runs quietly in the background, exactly on time. Give it a goal, and WebBridge navigates the internet like a human, browsing across tabs, extracting the critical data, executing multi-step web tasks end to end. You provide the prompt. Kimi handles the clicks, the scrolls, and the research, and hands you back the finished artifact. Even on a phone screen, the promise is unambiguous. This is an assistant that does the work, not one that describes how you might do it. A few details stand out once you dig in. WebBridge doesn't just fetch pages, it fills forms, works across tabs, and chains multi-step web tasks together autonomously. The cron engine means your automation has a pulse even when you don't. Schedule a report for 3 a.m. and it's waiting at breakfast. Agent Swarm takes a vague, multi-layered brief, decomposes it into subtasks, and assigns each one to a specialized agent automatically. And for finance people, there's a real differentiator. A-shares, Hong Kong, and US equities data are wired in natively. Earnings pulls, anomaly analysis, and spreadsheet reconciliation through plain conversation. Under the hood is Kimi K3, and the numbers are frankly absurd. 2.8 trillion parameters, the largest open-weight model ever released. It's a mixture of experts design activating just 16 of its 896 experts per request, which is why it runs far cheaper than the headline number suggests. The context window is 1 million tokens, entire code bases, entire filing cabinets, one conversation. It's natively multimodal with image support built in and video reportedly on the way, and Kimi Delta Attention keeps long agent sessions coherent instead of degrading as the context fills up. Remember those numbers when we get to what this thing costs. The gap between scale and price is the whole story here. Now the uncomfortable part for the incumbents. On Moonshot's evaluation suite, broadly corroborated by independent testing from Arena.ai and Evals AI, K3 beat Claude Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5 across coding and general agent benchmarks. It still trails the absolute frontier, Claude Fable 5 and GPT 5.6. Sol hold the top slots overall, and Moonshot admits as much. But those are closed models behind closed APIs. K3 sits one tier below the frontier while being free to use in the apps and about to be fully open. And that combination, not any single benchmark, is why chip investors flinched. Even the competition concedes the point. Dean Ball at OpenAI called Kimi simply a very good model. In an industry where rivals almost never compliment each other in public, a one-liner like that from a competitor's own researcher says more than any benchmark chart. For developers, the on-ramp is deliberately familiar. Moonshot's API is OpenAI SDK compatible. Point the client at Moonshot's endpoint, name the model, and your existing tooling just works. Which means swapping your agent stack onto K3 is a two-line change, not a migration project. That 1 million token context window means you can hand it an entire annual filing, or a whole repository, in a single request. Caching discounts apply automatically for repeated context, which matters enormously for agent loops that reread the same files. And the pricing I teased at the start, one more stop and we're there. Context makes this launch land harder. Moonshot shipped the original Kimi chatbot in late 2023 and built its following on long context reading. In July 2025, Kimi K3 arrived as a 1 trillion parameter open-weight model and became a developer favorite almost overnight. This week, K3 nearly tripled that scale, and Kimi Work shipped alongside it as the product that puts the model to work. On July 27th, the full 2.8 trillion parameter weights go public for anyone to run. 3 years from startup to moving the Nasdaq, the cadence is the story. No Western lab has shipped at this pace, at this scale, in the open. And here's the payoff on price. The consumer apps have a free tier, iOS, Android, the web, and the Kimi Work desktop app itself. The API runs $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output, with caching discounts on top of that. For a model class that beats Opus 4.8 on agent workloads, that pricing is aggressive enough to reset expectations across the market. And once the weights go public, the floor drops further, because then you can run it yourself and pay nobody at all. Whether or not Kimi Work becomes your daily driver, it's the clearest look yet at where desktop AI is heading. Local files instead of copy-paste, real automation instead of reminders, agents that act instead of chat. It's a download away on macOS or Windows at kimi.com. Point it at a real workload, watch the agent swarm break it down, and judge it on results. The free tier means the experiment costs you nothing but an afternoon. That's Kimi Work, and the K3 wave carrying it. If you want weekly breakdowns of the AI tools that actually matter, subscribe to Prism Labs, and I'll see you in the next one.